Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nessa and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I will be showing you guys the perfect consistency of icing and how to get perfect roses. Okay, real quick, real simple, and I was able to turn these miniature cupcakes into one big, you'll see. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to show you how I decorated these miniature cupcakes on a stick. I decided to put them onto a decorative straw because I did not have enough room for them. So we're just going to go ahead and decorate them as a regular cupcake. This is some frosting that I had left over from my birthday cupcakes. So I'm just using whatever frosting I have, but I'm rolling it right now with my hands just to warm it up a little bit so it's nice and soft when we use it. Again guys, I'm gonna go ahead and sift my confectioner sugar into our big mixer bowl, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some butter, some vanilla extract, and some cinnamon.
I think you are something special. I take you on a shopping spree, 'cause I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you, baby.
Okay guys, so this is the consistency that your frosting needs to have. Maybe even a little bit sturdier. Unfortunately, I was only able to use salted butter and not unsalted butter. I'm just going to go ahead and add some green food coloring to it and mix it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my frosting into a saran wrap and then into the decorative baggie, just because I actually came to realize that by using saran wrap, I can definitely reuse my decorative bags just by washing them, and I just love being able to save the frosting after. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my decorative baggies and insert my saran wrapped filled of frosting. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab the cupcakes. I had finished icing them already, as you've seen, with the new batch of frosting, and now I'm just going to go ahead and use the old batch of frosting, which is at the perfect consistency that I want it at because it will stay, and go ahead and decorate these cupcakes. At this point guys, I grabbed the green frosting and it did not come out the way I wanted, so just keep in mind that with stiff consistency frosting, you really need to use unsalted butter and not salted butter because it will mess up, as you can see here. But everything came out really great. Okay guys, so these are how my mango margarita cupcakes turned out for my birthday. And this was just the finished product of what I wanted to show you guys on how I decorated my cakes. Anyway guys, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. I hope these videos were bright and beautiful just like you. I will be out of the YouTube scene for a minute. Sorry, I gotta get back to the real world. But I hope you guys have been really liking and enjoying my videos. Please let me know if you guys want to see something, and I'll definitely keep it in mind. Maybe I can still keep it going if I get some suggestions. So again guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting and subscribing. Thank you for supporting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!